Hey everybody, Jay here at Lock & Lube, and today we're talking about the options that we have for barbed wire fence repair. We've got the Wire-Tight fence crimping tool, and we also have the Texas fence fixer. Today we're going to talk through some of the features, compare the tools, show you the size, talk about the different pros and benefits of each. So we'll start with the Wire-Tight. The Wire-Tight is made to crimp your barbed wire fence. Now, you imagine a piece of barbed wire there. You push down like this, it's going to create a wave action in the wire. This will work on high tensile and slick wire as well. And it's guaranteed not to break old wire as well. It's great news for people who've got old fence lines, rusty fence lines. The teeth are spaced out far enough that that wave action is not actually going to break the wire. It's just going to put that bend in it. It's going to crimp it, and that's going to pull up the slack. So you can start at a post, work down the fence line until you get it nice and tight. And that's the gist of this. It's simple, it's lightweight, a single tool that you can keep with you at all times. Now the other tool we have here is the Texas fence fixer. This is made in started in a foundry in Texas and painted, drilled, finished. The whole process happens there in Texas. So the way it works is you get this onto your fence, you grab it with the two arms here, and you pull this tight, and then this allows you to lock it out, and that's going to hold tension. So imagine you've got a loose piece of fence in here. That's going to hold tension on the fence while you can splice a new piece of wire in and start to wrap it. And then when you remove the fence fixer, you've got a more permanent fix in place for that piece of fence. Now, we've got videos on how these work so you can see in detail these actually being used in the field. This video is more to show you the form factor and talk about the differences. So, Texas fence fixer is great if you're trying to splice a new length of wire in there and have maybe what you might call a more permanent fix. And the Wire-Tight, those crimps aren't going to come out unless, an animal pushes up against it or something like that. It has the chance to loosen, but these will not break the wire. They will just do what they do to make it that much tighter. So thanks for watching, and if you need more information, check out lockandlube.com.